Welcome back again to another video. You know, say, me did listen one song, Skeng, Heavenly Passport, and we think more of a show you how you can get that type of sound the same way. So, we go head over now to FL Studio to make you see what I go on. I really like the song, I really dig the song. I think it's a nice song. So, make we see what I go on now. Now we are back in FL Studio and I have already hooked up the beat. It's just that I need to explain what a few things that I did. I didn't want to replicate the beat, then a copyright claim could come on it, but you will get the understanding of how this beat was constructed. It was constructed in a very unusual way for me. Per se, I didn't try to replicate back everything, but I just did the bare minimum that, you could hear, a similarity of the beat. The beat is 94.1 BPM, and first I start off with ample guitar Luther, in which that is this plugin, and the main melody look like this. However, I think how the beat start with the guitar playing live. Now this is MIDI information, so I won't get that 100% realistic feeling from a realistic sound that I would get from the actual guitar used to record that particular sample. The beat is in G sharp minor and the notes in it is played in a melodic way. However, playing guitar, notes overlap with notes and so on and so forth like that. So I try to mimic that in some way, somewhat, to get the sound with different velocity and so forth like that, to get the sound where kind of sounds similar but not to the original. So this is what it sounds like. So as you can hear, the heavy notes are being played. I layered it with bank, the crow corners bank in contact, in which the guitar sound is calm guitar, and this is what it actually sounds like with it. Just to give it a little bit more uniqueness to it, that it doesn't sound like one particular guitar sound. So I layered it together to get a very unique guitar sound. I've tried other guitar sounds that I have, but these two seems to work the best for this particular video. Now for the synth sounds, synth arpeggiated sound, like I used two plugins, but I could have used one, but I just used the other one to layer it. I use hybrid, and this is the pattern that I come up with. It's not perfect, but what I have done here is use 3 different octaves to get that sound because of the voicing of the arpeggiated sound, moving from the 4th bar so on in the instrument, the beat, the song itself. So this is what it sounds like. I layered it with Anna, as how I said it before, and with the layered sound, this is what it sounds like. Bear in mind, I'm not trying to replicate the original sound of the beat, but just to get the idea in this video, so you could see how this beat has been constructed, so you probably can build a similar beat to it, or get an idea from how this beat has been constructed to add to your beat making skill. I added an 808 from my Dancehall drum kit 2, soon be out. I'm currently finishing up it, and this is what the progression looks like and sounds like. For the second part that Intense sings on, it's just basically one pattern, but it kind of hype up that section of the song, in which it brings out the vibe of the song more, doing the unique parts in a beat, not having the same thing repeated every time. So this is the sound that it gives, that particular section gives off. hard hitting subs. I added some accented snares. This is the main snare. Some hi-hats. Percussion. Some claps. Second snare, just for the part that Intense would sing his section of the song with some accented snares also. And in context, this is what the beat actually sounds like. It's a boy Eldoh Rado. Cook up another one for you. So if you like this content, please do leave some comments and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Select all notification, you know, and in another video we catch you again. Peace out.